Hey, to the whole world again. It's Luandile here, the leader and the instructor of my live programming school. So right now I'm about to dive into exercise number 3.2 on the chapter entitled Numbers. I've got to write a program that asks the user to enter two numbers x and y and compute a over b, where a is the difference between x and y and b is the sum of x and y. Okay, so how am I gonna go about doing that? As always, I'll open idle first. I'll create a file. I'll call it exercise 3.2 A under my live programming school, under chapter 3. So I'll call this one here exercise 3.2 what? Let me just go B for a change. Okay, the very first thing I want to do is to get the x value from the user. Enter x, y, eval, input, enter y. Now that I've got those two numbers, the numerator is the difference, right? So I'll go numerator is the difference. So in order to get the difference, we will make use of the abs function, which computes the absolute value of a given number. In our case, it's gonna be x minus 1. Since it's the absolute value, doesn't matter, we can call x minus 1 or y minus x. It won't make a difference. Again, I mean, depending on whether or not the values are negative, right? If they are negative, it would make a difference. Anyways, let me go denominator is nothing else but the sum of the two, x plus y. Now I'll simply want to print numerator divided by denominator. That is what I want to do. So now let's see. Let's just go 5, then 3. So it's gonna be 5 minus 3. The absolute value of that is 2 all over what? All over 5 plus 3, which is 8. So it's gonna be 2 over 8, which is 1 over 4, which is 0.25. Okay, I can play around with this program. Now let's see the effects of putting a negative number and then 7. Okay, so that right there, minus 3 minus 7 is gonna be minus 10. The absolute value of that is gonna be what? Is gonna be 10 all over the sum of the two. So it's gonna be 10 over 4, which is 2.5. Okay, so that's gonna be it for this tutorial, you guys. The takeaway here is you may take advantage of the abs function, which computes the absolute value of a given number. Cheers, guys.